Hello, in this video I'm going to show you really quick and easy way to buy Atom Cosmos. So when you actually sign up on KuCoin, and actually when you link the link in description and download the mobile app, this is what you actually have to do. Just it takes a couple of minutes. Well, the first thing that you have to do is sign up on BitTrue, and then you have to do the ID verification, but it took 2 minutes to make, and I got approved in just 10 minutes or so, which is awesome. So it doesn't take that much time. You just do it and you're good to go. Once you have done it, you don't have to do it again, so that's amazing too. But anyway, when you come back to KuCoin and you go to home, you can actually just click buy fiat, and here when you go credit/debit card and click the BTC, you can actually select here what cryptocurrencies you want to buy straight up with your credit or debit card. So when you go here, boom, you can see you can buy Atom straight up with your credit card. So this is amazing. All you really have to do is go to KuCoin, sign up, download the app, or use the desktop version. I use the mobile app because this is so good. But anyway, all you have to do is just go click buy with fiat and go credit/debit card, and here you can select Atom. So all you have to do is select how much you want to buy, and then there are some fees, of course. It will calculate the fees, but anyway, so it would be like $85 fee, which is something, but there are always fees. After you click buy now, the trade will execute, and when you go back to your when you go back to your assets, click assets, boom, you can see your Atom right here, Cosmos. Well, I just currently have Bitcoin because I'm using this to show how to use KuCoin. But anyway, but you can see here how easy and simple it is to buy Atom. So now I also want to tell you that if you are struggling to realize how this application works and how you can trade here, I will show you, because I was struggling with this myself too. So when you go to KuCoin and you go to assets, you have your main and trading wallet. So you have two different wallets. You have more than two, but in this tutorial I'm just going to focus on main and trading. So main wallet is something that you can hold your cryptocurrencies. You can just keep them there if you want. Just like I'm holding some Bitcoin here. And when you go to trading, this is the wallet that you use when you are trading. So you can't trade unless you have funds in your trading wallet. So how you change from main to trading is click the currency you want to transfer, then click bottom left, click transfer, and here you can select how you want to trade, how you want to or where you want to send your Bitcoins to. So when you go to it now goes from main to trading. So now when you select all, you can see that I can transfer Bitcoin from my main account to my trading account, and after I have put some funds in my trading account, I can now start trading on KuCoin. So what it basically means, I can go to markets and select any BTC pairing here and basically just buy any of these cryptocurrencies. That's how you do that. And now I showed you how to buy Atom and how to buy any altcoin on KuCoin. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.